Live flexible stone production line showcase. It includes precise raw material weighing, a batching and mixing system, an intelligent dual spray coating production line, an independent drying and curing system, as well as color printing and precision cutting. By seamlessly integrating technology and craftsmanship, it produces high-quality flexible stone products. Powder weighing and supplying system. Automatic liquid weighing system. Automatic liquid raw material dosing system. Intelligent unpacking and feeding system. Automatic raw material weighing system. High speed, low speed mixer. This production line features a high level of automation, enabling fully automated operation throughout the entire process, which significantly reduces labor costs and minimizes raw material waste. It offers strong production capacity to meet the demands of large-scale mass production. The line supports manufacturing panels up to 3 meters in size and allows flexible switching between different formulations. Cutting machine. Our printing line offers multiple advantages. With 360 dpi resolution and 1536 nozzles, it achieves millimeter-level high-precision printing with clear and detailed output. The internal and external ink circulation system reduces sedimentation and clogging, enhancing stability and extending service life. The inorganic non-combustible ink features fine particles, is odorless, and provides strong weather resistance for long-lasting outdoor color retention. It supports high-speed printing with a drop height of up to 20 millimeters. Live provides a complete solution for flexible stone production, including equipment, molds, technical training, factory design, and finished flexible stone products.